The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
All right, fellas, I'm back. I'm back. Can you guys hear me okay? All right, thank you, Todd. God, that was bullshit. Serious baloney, fellas. I'm just turning my bots back on. All right, I'm good to go now. Here comes the NASDAQ. All right, guys, we're back to a green delta. Friday's low. Sorry for the inconvenience, guys. Thank Ninja. Back to 88. Long NASDAQ target is 88. Long NASDAQ target is 88. That's where we're headed back to. We got to get above the 66, but target is 88, fellas. All right, I'm going to take a long on the NASDAQ, guys. Target one is 88. Come on, you're going up. You know you are. 400 plus buyers in this candle, guys. Come on, let's go, NASDAQ. Come on, push right here. Push. Go get me 88. Don't be a chooch. There it goes. Come on. Come on, NASDAQ. Let's go. Got buyers, guys. We're back to 700 buyers. 700. Yeah, Russell is below. There goes NASDAQ. Come on, get above the 71, 72. 80 should be next target, and then 88, guys. Another 600 buyers here. Come on, jump. Fudge it, NASDAQ, man. Got the 74 from 62. $40 is a good entry, I think. Still have buyers. Come on. Come on. Get this 70. Let's go. Give me that 88. Guys, trade him as you see fit. It's struggling at this damn pivot. I still think it's longs. We're now got a double top at 73. If we get through 73, gave money 2 or 3 times. If we get through that 73, that's where we go. We get 94. Times at 10:07. Got 800 buyers again, almost 900 net buyers. I don't care about RTY. I've got no interest in RTY. None. Come on, you rat dog. $850 buyers. Now we're fighting that little bit of resistance at 56, 57. It's through that. Get back through 62, 63, and then 70. Fudge, man. Hate these slow trades. Get through 70. $12 sellers in here, 14 sellers. That's it. Seriously, it's a joke. $900 net buyers. It's got to get this 73, 74. 900 net buyers. There we go. Come on. Pop that right here. Still won't pop it. Got to it. 1,200 net buyers. I don't want to be short. $1,300 net buyers. Come on, let's go. Minute left. Yeah, I know it's stuck at the pivot. I see it. It's above the pivot. It got above the pivot to 74. Should have gone 88. Well, listen, it gave me money 5 times. If it takes me, it takes me. The hell with it. You guys know I hold for targets. We have 1,100 net buyers, 1,160. This son of a no good, dirty dog. I'm out. I'm out. I cannot believe soybeans, ZS, soybeans, Mimi? I'm totally disgusted with this NASDAQ, guys. New 15-minute candle in 2 minutes. This has to get back above 59, guys. 59. Guys, we have a shoot ton of buyers in here. 1,400 buyers. 1,400. 1,450. Yeah, see it. It's fighting this damn pivot again at 67, 68. If we can get cleanly above that, we're going to that 88 target. 1,600 buyers. 1,650. They're buying them. They're buying them. Somebody's buying them. Where's the explosion? Next 15-minute candle maybe. There's another winner on the Russell. Come on, you dog. Go get 88. $1,800 buyers. There's my 88. 2,000 buyers. I mean, listen, look, I can tell you what I see. And you guys know I am rarely off on my targets. Rarely. That's why I hold for targets. But this was a pain in the arse trade. It's going higher, guys. It's going higher. We have 1,900 net buyers. We're fighting pivots all along the way. We're fighting an hourly resistance, 10-minute resistance, daily a pivot. Some sellers coming in. The shorts are trying here. I would not be short this NASDAQ. I would not be short. This is going to blow. Let me just take a look at something here, guys. We're holding around 1,800 net buyers. VIX futures are down 2% at 19 and change. VIX cash is up 1.5% at 1750. There's nothing here conducive to shorts. Not buying, not the VIX, nothing. We're going to trade back up here eventually. Resistance is 96 now. Above 96, we're going 435. Above 96. There it goes. We're going to 436. If you're long, 436. Guys, we have 2,000 net buyers right now. 2,000. If they're doing this to suck longs, then they're doing a great job. $425 minimum. Boy, this is like a beer crawl. Small sellers in here. Still don't want shorts, guys. I know we're below VWAP, but I can't sell it with 1,800 net buyers. Yeah, gold came into my long, 1803. Next candle, 38 seconds. We're pushing resistance here, guys. If we can get back above 91, 92, we could trade back 415, 420. Down to 1,700, but yeah, back through about there. You've got a long at 49, from 40 to 49. No, just wait it out, fellas. Wait it out. This was the Russell. Same signal. Got first and second target. I think that was trade 3. I give up with Ninja today. Got another long in the Russell. Gold off that 03 was long. There's target 1 again on Russell. See if it can go up and get anything. Target 2 RTY. We have target 2 at RTY on this trade. I do not think we've gotten 3 targets yet on any of them. No. 2 was a winner, so 2 winners. This is when I was logged out, so I missed the loser. 2 and 1. 3 and 1. We're 4 and 1. If you guys like slow, we got it. Anybody not making money yet today? Crude also has target 1 on the bot, fellas. Target 1. I'm going to need a lot of Red Bull for this one. Back to 1,600 net buyers, guys. Like if we cross VWAP, I've got to be long. We didn't come to 40. We came to 49. Long NASDAQ. Come on, push, piece of work. There we go. Push. Push further. There we go. We're at the bottom of the cloud on the 10-minute, guys. That's where we're stuck. 92, we got 15 handles out of that. It should go 25 and 36 if you're long NASDAQ. Russell's going to get third target on this trade. Pretty close. There you go. There you go. Come on. We're pushing through the cloud on the small time frame, 10-minute. We're going to push up into 25. Back to 2,300 net buyers. You do not want to be short. 2,300. Guys, give me 1 minute. But we should start working back up to Friday's high at 64. And what may be the slower than holiday trade. Yeah, and I think we will. It's just a really arduous trade here. Let me just look around, see what the hell else we can trade. I've got nothing on the YM. We've got to come back through 75 on ES. ES is longs back to 82 if you like ES. Long to 82. 81 on the ES if you like ES. It's currently 775. This was major support. It is now proving to be a bit of resistance, but they want it back above 775. Should go 81, 82. Russell, I don't trade. I have Russell longs. Actually, Russell is longs to 2,300. 2,300 RTY. Gold, you've got nothing. Crude should get 75.80. Okay, Keith, nice job. And natural gas is making a small push. NASDAQ support now around 89.90. It's just dinking around here, fellas. Sellers just plopped in, but nothing. Small buyers. Look at these buyers. All dink. You guys all good today? Everybody okay? We need to push above 25. Okay. Greg. I went to bed at 10 o'clock. We went to a nice dinner. I went to bed at 10 o'clock. The only reason I went to bed that late is I was watching Georgia beat the snot out of Michigan. Anytime Michigan loses, I'm happy. Let me see what we got left in this next candle. 2.5 minutes. Out on the third contracts on the RTY. Yeah, I just hope they can beat Alabama. I'm not liking this. Looks like we're going to drop below VWAP. Rumor is, Brian, that Henry might be back for the playoffs. $77 is where we're coming, I think, fellas. Well, they're going to need him to beat Kansas City or Buffalo. All right, I'm going to short to 77. I actually took the Cowboys yesterday. I was surprised as well that Arizona beat the Cowboys. Are you kidding me? Out. Looks like it's trying to come. I don't want the long here now. Yeah, piece of shit. We're wedged between 89 and 18. This has to first get through 20 and then pop 26. So we need 27.5 and then 26. We've got 2,000 buyers and this just will not run. What a boring trade. Jeez. He thinks I should have kept that short. I don't think this is going far unless we break above this. Above that, This goes nuts. Well, he's just a beast, though, Brian. I mean, he's a man among men. He's like playing with kids. Would you want to stand in front of that guy running at you? I would. Guys, this is just kind of a sloppy trade. Just hold him if you're long. Five minutes to the next 15-minute candle. ES is just hanging out. I think that goes to 82. I think eventually this NASDAQ will break out. You've got too many buyers. Anybody have anything? Any comments? Questions? Guys, if you are in the afternoon session, invoices were sent last week. If you do not have them, email me. One guy emailed me, said he didn't get it. I'll send that after the close. And if you don't want to be in the afternoon session, I can't do that, Peter. It's no different than the room. It's the same as this. The reason I can is that the link is good for a month. So it's no different than what you see here, just no bots. If you guys wish to be in the afternoon session, if you don't have the invoice, email me. And if you don't wish to be in it, just cancel your invoice if you would. Or I'll do it for you, I guess, today. There's the breakout to 25. Those of you that were interested or are interested in, Peter, etc., I sent you guys an email regarding the order flow class, which begins next Thursday. I need to hear from all of you guys today or tomorrow. If not, I'll open it up to people on the waiting list. Order flow. This, so you, Dan, you're on. So you guys know, and for trials, I'll send you guys an email today, okay? And every day this week. This will be my last order flow class. For, you know, if you guys are on trial, and even for newer members, I'll be 60 in August. Underneath the format that I have run for the last few years on the order flow class, it's $59.97. Unless you own the bot, then you get credit for the bot. But it gives you a 2-year membership in addition to the course, right? This is the last class I will offer where I give a 2-year membership. I will not commit for 2 years from January, whatever it is, 11th, 13th, whatever the day is we start. I can't do it. So, you know, if I were to do a class in June, for instance, it will not have a 2-year membership. You will not have 2 years in this room. I just can't commit that long. Out on crude on the runner. This is just torture, fellas, watching this thing trade in a 10-handle range. We are going to work to 37. And my belief is once we get above this 25, 26, we're going to blow. We have 1,700 buyers. But in any event, I had one person drop out that had committed to the class. I still have an opening. And I'm waiting to hear from 2 people. $1,000, George. And I actually have 2 people that have taken the class prior that are in it again, but I'm not counting those. No, I'm not thinking of retiring in the future, Frank. No. But I don't want to commit for 2 years. So if I were to do a class, let's say in June, just to give you an idea, right? I would have to commit then until June 2 years from now. I don't want to do that. I will probably always run a morning session and an afternoon session as long as guys want to be in it. But I don't want to have to commit for 2 years, keep going 2 years, 2 years, 2 years, 2 years. So I will always look to teach because I think order flow is the key. And you guys, that are here as members, you guys have benefited from the course and from the trades. But going forward, I may still offer the class just as a class. No, George, no. I mean, you have your original 2 years. It won't extend it 2 more years. No. There we go. We finally got that damn target. All right, guys, we are through. We may fail a little bit here, but we're through. And we should now work up to 60. Yeah, I'll teach you guys how to scalp. So we probably will fail here at red. We rarely blow through red or blue and keep going, right? Rarely. We usually hit this level and pull back, which we're doing now. It's major resistance here. But if we blow up through 42, 43, 44, we're going to trade to 50, 55. It's not a short, guys. We have 2,500 net buyers. It is not a short. It's just a slow grind higher. Look for a long around 16. Right there. 16. Come on, pull up. Small sellers. Come on, 16 was an entry, guys. Come on, push. Let's go, dog. Jesus. This needs to get back above 26. It stopped at 26, 26.50, and we push right back to 34. Above 26.50, it pushes right back to 34. Come on. Look at this red. There it is, 26.50. Keep going. Let's go. You got 13 to 16 to 26. Coming into the top of the hour, we could get a little squirrely here as Europe closes in 40 minutes. ES still hanging out around that 71. I like ES long to 82. YM quiet. NASDAQ guys should get to 50. Should get to 50. Anybody long? Anybody holding still? NASDAQ's up 108, 110. All right, fellas. $50's your target, guys, on NASDAQ. The only issue we may have is we're getting close to the top of the hour. So we're going to deal with Europe. If they're short on the bottom, they may start covering. I'll go over bot trades at 11, fellas. We're not going to get another one on crude, that's for sure. Shut that off. We're not getting another one on the ES. We can shut that off. Gold will not take another trade in 3 minutes. You can shut that off. Russell will not take another trade. Bots are done. Bots are done. And NASDAQ's just grinding higher. This is longs, guys. It is not shorts. Yeah, we got snow too, Steve. I'm looking at 2 inches on the ground after being in the 70s the last week and a half, including yesterday. Hit 68. Decided to snow last night. This is just. Yeah, I can make an argument for 500 today. I mean, it's only 70 handles. And there's 2,400 buyers. Unless, what are they going to do? Blow these things out at the. I mean, I don't think so, but it wouldn't shock me to see a sell program, but I don't think so. I mean, the support is right around that 16. That's where you want to be long, 16. But we've already hit it once. I gave that trade. I don't have another entry. 21, maybe? Here comes top of the hour, guys. And looks like we're going to go through. Come on, pop this. There's top of the hour. Get through that resistance. Let's go. Come on. 50. There we go. That's all it took. Top of the hour. This should go, guys. Nope. Still won't go. This is support right here. Could pull back to 25. Another entry. All right, let me do this. Let me go over bot trades. Here is gold. Gold, interestingly enough, no trades on the bot. No trades on the bot on gold. NASDAQ had 2 trades, a loser on the long first thing, and then a nice winner. The first target at 27 and change on the handles. First target only, but a winner and a loser on NASDAQ. Crude had 2 trades. No, 1 trade, a winner. First target only. ES, 1 trade, first target only. Runner got popped out. And then Russell. Trade number 1, winner. Trade number 2, winner. Trade number 3 is when I was resetting my Ninja. So there's a losing trade in there that I do not have. So my numbers might be a little skewed from yours, but that's when I shut down. Trade number 4, winner. And trade number 5, winner. So 5 trades on the Russell with 4 winners. The bot total today, 1772.50. Okay, up 1772.50. Now again, if I had that losing trade in the Russell, which is when I shut down to reset Ninja, this would have lost 47. 47 times 3 is 141 ticks times 5, $705. So it would have been up around $1,000. Still a nice day. But that's a trade I don't have. Anybody have any questions? Slow, dull trade, guys. I'm really surprised with 2,400 net buyers. But be that as it may, everybody should have had a good day if you got in right up, around the open when I said long NASDAQ. We had a big trade in crude. The YM sold, gold sold. If anybody has any questions, feel free to email me or Skype me, call me, whatever. For those of you that are in the 1 o'clock group, invoices were sent. If you don't have them, you need to email me and I'll send it again. No, if you don't, you should have it, Zach. You should have a Unirenko.